Hi,
Hey, Sydney, how are ya?
I'm good. So my older brother was diagnosed when I was 5 years old. I started to show symptoms of being clumsy and falling, and then I was diagnosed when I was 10 years old. So in school, it was harder to keep up because my dexterity and my fine motor skills, I always had to have a note taker. So I started using a wheelchair full time whenever I was 15, and everyone kind of didn't know how to treat me or react. My friends who I made when I was younger kind of started to slowly distance themselves from me the more I progressed. And then the wheelchair was just kind of the tipping point, I guess. I would like everyone to know that FA is purely a physical disability and does not affect cognitive function. So we're just like anyone else. When I was diagnosed in 2010, there really wasn't much knowledge at all. Like the past 13 years that I've had FA, there's been no treatment for it. I'm from Louisiana, so I'm used to rough terrain and gravel roads and things like that. And I cannot go on any of that if it's not a flat, smooth surface. I cannot go on that in my wheelchair. So there's a lot that I missed out on. It wasn't until I graduated high school and I went to college that I met new people. I met my husband. I met, other people who brought my personality more out of me, I guess.
It's almost midnight.
So I had demoed the I bought about a year and a half ago. That was my first time going up and down stairs and trying out that feature. It was insane, kind of scary, but really fun at the same time. I mean, not only will it give me more access to different places and people and give me different experiences, being able to go to new places, but it would also just being able to have that independence of climbing stairs if I need to. It's just something that I've never had before. So it would be a new and a great experience to just be more independent.